guys, welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time of coming across our video, this is Glory Family Love, a mother of 3 living in Italy. So today guys, I am going to be doing mukbang. Okay guys, so today we are going to be having fufu with egusi soup. Okay, before I'll be putting up this mukbang, you guys will be seeing the recipe and the way I make this egusi soup, this delicious bitter leaf egusi. So guys, I'm just going to eat, and yeah, I'm hungry already. Okay, let's dig in. I can't wait. I have here my water and my glass and water to wash my hands. Let's take a thumbnail. So let's dig in, okay? I can't wait. I wrapped up my fufu. Oh my god. Pownded fufu, so it won't get cold. That's my baby's noise in the background. So let's dig in, guys. First thing, oh my god. I think this should be my first mukbang, like eating alone. I don't know. Yeah, I have a couple of videos, right? I think 1 or 2 that I did of mukbang before. I didn't show you guys what I'm having. I have cow leg, I have fish, and some, is it tripe or tripe? Nigerian, we call it ishaki. So let's do.
Okay, put it back. Put it back. Give me.
I've been seeing a couple of videos of people on TikTok trying to eat fufu, and they are like, I was laughing when I saw a couple of them saying that our African fufu is disgusting. Like, where did that come from? We come over to Europe, to America, even to Asia countries, we eat their food without complaining. Even the ones that we don't like, we don't call them disgusting. So I wonder how someone will sit down, film a video, call the food disgusting, edit the video and post. Will I call that cloud chasing? Because if they weren't cloud chasing, I don't see a reason for someone to upload such video. Our African food is the best. Oh my god. I'm going to be uploading the recipe of this egusi soup, guys. Go try it out. You will love it. You would definitely love it. Scoop some egusi. Don't chew, swallow. That's how we eat our Nigerian fufu. Go again. You cut your fufu, you mold it, yeah. Scoop your egusi or bolo or any kind of sauce that you're having, and then swallow. You don't have to chew. Like, I found it really weird when I see people chewing fufu, semo, or pounded yam. Like, I don't like it. But not that most of the people are doing it deliberately. It's just that they don't know how to swallow, or they don't feel comfortable swallowing the fufu just like that. Let me take some water. I'm feeling full already, guys. I will try to finish this. Oh my god. For some days I haven't had fufu. I haven't had pounded yam. And I'm having it after about a week now. I'll be making rice, spaghetti rice, scooping, and I have some fish with this. I love my egusi and ogbolo with fresh fish. Sometimes when I crave for fried fish with egusi or ogbolo, I go for it. But most of the times, I like it fresh. So guys, I think I'm done with the fufu. This is how far I have gone. I don't know if you guys can see, yeah. And I'll just eat my fish and my meat. So in the year 2021, fufu has gone viral. I mean, should I say Nigerian delicacy? Because on Facebook, I saw the Beast family doing a mukbang of jollof rice. They tried fufu and pepper soup. So I was saying in by the end of 2020 and 2021, 2020, 2021, Nigeria dishes went international. It's no longer just Nigerian dish. Nigeria jollof, all of them have gone viral. Let me try to eat from this. Although I'm feeling full already. Oh my god. Those are my kids' voice you're hearing in the background. I know it's supposed to be quiet, but it's something I can't do anything about. They just finished eating and are supposed to be sleeping, like, or resting before going to bed because it's still early. But instead, they are giving daddy a tough time. Is this sauce? Oh, am I sweating? Oh my god. Oh my god. So, if you are watching this and you like what you see and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Yes, you, you who is watching, please subscribe and join the family. And if you So guys, if you would like to try out my egusi, please check out the recipe. The video will be popping right here or here. So I'm done, guys. While you're eating your food, you don't have to wipe your hand and thumb. Lick the thumb. It makes you feel the sauce very well. It makes you feel the sauce very well. Okay, guys. This is what I have left. I am done with basically everything. I just have the bone of the cow leg and some of the fufu. I don't know if you guys can see here. That's what I have left. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much. God bless you guys. If you watched to this point, you are the real MVP. I love you so much. If you watch up to this extent, You are the real MVP. I love you so much. Thank you so much for the support. God bless you real good, okay? Thank you so much and bye. See you, and you in my next video, okay? Love you guys. Peace.